Welcome back. Today on Universal Moto Buzz, we're diving deep into the 2026 TATA Classic 125, a bike that blends retro charm with futuristic precision. Let's explore how this model stands out in the 125cc segment and what makes it a serious contender in the commuter and lifestyle bike category. The moment you see the TATA Classic 125, it immediately catches your eye with its timeless and elegant appeal. The front design speaks volumes about its inspiration from old-school cafe copyright tracers and British classics. But with a modern Indian touch, the round LED headlamp sits neatly within a chrome bezel, giving it a vintage feel while the bright DRLs add a modern twist. The front fender has been kept minimal and neatly contoured to maintain that classic silhouette. The front telescopic suspension setup blends function and style perfectly, while the wide handlebar with chrome mirrors gives a confident and upright riding posture, ideal for city commutes as well as relaxed weekend rides. Move to the side profile, and you'll notice where the Classic truly lives up to its name. The long fuel tank with retro TATA badging, subtle pinstripes, and a dual-tone paint scheme makes the bike look premium and elegant. The side panels carry a small A Classic 125 emblem, again nodding to the heritage-inspired design. The engine casing comes finished in brushed metal, contrasting beautifully against a glossy tank. The single-piece seat looks plush, wide, and perfectly contoured for comfort on long rides. The bike also features rubber tank pads, chrome-finished exhaust, and spoke-style alloy wheels that make it a head-turner on the road. TATA's attention to small design details is what makes this motorcycle truly feel special. Every nut, bolt, and line of metal has been crafted to give it that timeless visual appeal. From the back, the Classic 125 continues to exude simplicity and elegance. The round LED tail lamp is encased within a chrome bezel, giving a perfect retro finish. The rear fender has been designed to look clean, with neatly integrated turn indicators and a grab rail that complements the seat design. The twin shock absorbers at the rear not only enhance ride comfort but also add to the visual symmetry of the overall design. The rear tire has a slightly thicker profile, giving the bike a balanced stance and ensuring better grip on urban and semi-rural roads. Every angle from the back reinforces the fact that TATA wanted to build something that blends vintage design elements with modern practicality. Now let's talk about what powers this elegant machine. The 2026 TATA Classic 125 is equipped with a newly developed 124.8cc single-cylinder, air-cooled, fuel-injected engine. It delivers around 11.5 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute and 10.8 Nm of torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute. The power delivery is smooth, linear, and perfectly tuned for city and suburban use. The 5-speed gearbox feels crisp, with well-spaced gear ratios that allow you to ride effortlessly in traffic or on open highways. The engine refinement is impressive. Vibrations are minimal, and the exhaust note is deep, classic, and pleasing to the ears. The throttle response feels sharp, thanks to the fuel injection system and lightweight chassis that enhance performance and fuel efficiency. In terms of performance, the TATA Classic 125 can easily cruise between 70 to 90 km per hour with confidence. The bike feels well planted and stable at high speeds, and the suspension setup absorbs bumps comfortably. The front disc and rear drum combination provide effective braking power, while the addition of a single-channel ABS ensures safety during sudden stops. The wide seat, upright posture, and balanced ergonomics make this bike suitable for all age groups, from young riders looking for style to mature riders seeking comfort and elegance. With a fuel efficiency of around 60 to 65 km/L, the Classic 125 ensures that your everyday ride remains economical without compromising on performance. The digital analog instrument cluster combines a retro speedometer dial with a small digital display showing essential data like fuel level, trip meter, and gear indicator. LED lighting throughout, USB charging port, and smart start-stop system make it clear that TATA has designed this machine keeping modern commuters in mind. The build quality is solid, the paint finish is premium, and every touchpoint on the bike feels sturdy and well built. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 TATA Classic 125 is expected to start at around a superscript 190,000 X showroom for the base variant and go up to a superscript 11.05 lakh for the top trim with additional chrome and color options. It competes with bikes like the Honda SP125, Hero Glamour's Tech, and TVS Raider, but offers something unique: a blend of timeless looks and TATA's engineering reliability. In conclusion, the TATA Classic 125 is not just a motorcycle, it's an experience, a blend of the past and the future wrapped into one beautiful package. It's designed for riders who appreciate old-school aesthetics but don't want to compromise on modern performance or comfort. Whether you're cruising through city traffic or riding into the countryside, the TATA Classic 125 delivers charm, efficiency, and dependability in every rev. So, What do you think about the all-new TATA Classic 125? Does this modern retro commuter win your heart? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Universal Moto Buzz for more upcoming reviews and latest two-wheeler updates from around the world.